Every nation knows its story, except one. Haiti's history was erased. They taught us our chains, but buried our crown. They preserved our pain and hid our purpose. Haiti's story was never slavery. It was priesthood. We are not mistakes. We are the sons of Levi, scattered, wounded.
Yet our suffering was not random. Our humiliation was not the end. It was prophecy. The world hid our name, but heaven never forgot it. This book is a summons, a call to remembrance, a call to identity, a call to destiny. Haiti, your story was never slavery. It was priesthood.